What's up, guys? My name is John. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new Viparspectra XS Series 2000 LED grow light. So a while back, Viparspectra reached out to me about doing a grow light review and unboxing video. And I said, absolutely. We're in this time of the year where we're getting ready to, at least here in my garden, in my little urban oasis, my backyard Eden, if you will, we're getting ready to start some stuff for spring. We're starting to get geared up to do seed starting of our super hot peppers. You know I'm a pepperhead, and it's just about that time. So when they reached out and said, hey, you want to try this light out and do a review on it? I said, absolutely. So today we're going to be unboxing the XS Series 2000 from Viparspectra, and I've heard wonderful things about it. I've seen some other videos about it, and I'm stoked. So let's get right into the unboxing. And the way this is going to kind of work, guys, is we're going to unbox this thing today, and over the next few weeks, we're going to be putting out a video or so a week on the results. So a lot of times when you look at these videos online, on YouTube, wherever, you see the unboxing, and I've done this before, you see the unboxing, but you really don't see much after that. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting this light up. We're going to be starting some seeds in the next video. Starting some seeds to go underneath it. I've got a semi-mature pepper plant to go underneath it, so we're going to be seeing its sort of results in starting plants, and then its results in how it's doing with more mature plants. So let's get right into it. And before we do that, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss out on anything. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, guys, so here is the grow light. It was shipped out, and I would say rather quickly, to be honest with you. It was just, I guess, 2 days shipping. So let's go ahead and get into this. I've got just a box cutter. Okay. So the box is pretty durable. It's a thicker cardboard, so it's going to protect it pretty good. You take off the inner plate, if you will, and you've got a good layer of foam around it. As far as packaging concerns, looks pretty good. Take off the layer of foam, and there is this bad boy, the Viparspectra XS 2000. So let's see if I can get this out of here. Okay. Alright, let me get this out of the bag. Alright, guys, so here is the Viparspectra XS 2000 series grow light. They've really decided to take a step up from their previous model. From what I understand, this is the mean well driver, and it's just amazing. If you want to get into this, you've got to go with that. This is one of the best components out there. They've also got a really good heat sink on this thing. It's great construction, but they've got a huge heat sink area, so the heat should dissipate real well. And then when you flip this over, you've got the Samsung diodes, and these things, it just looks incredible. You also have the water resistant coating here. So yes, I'm completely stoked about using this puppy. And it's also got a dimmer switch. How friggin' cool is that? So you can go all the way down to 5%, all the way down to 5%. You can go anywhere and everywhere, all the way up to 100%. Which, I mean, hello, that is awesome. I mean, come on, that is awesome. A dimmer switch, that. Alright, let's take a look at what else is in the box. Of course, we have our power cord, and let's take this out of the bag. Right away, I'm digging it. It's got a 90 degree plug, which a lot of grow lights don't. So that's really awesome. I'm digging that. Alright, so also in the box you have the hanging kit and the ratchet ropes. So the ratchet ropes here, you can, let me see if I can open these up. Alright, so with this, I mean, this is a pretty good rope here. Oh yeah, and then they also have the metal gears in these ratchets, which is a huge improvement over a lot of these lights, because a lot of these lights just have plastic, and you can actually hear it. So that's a huge improvement over most of these grow lights, because a lot of them have just plastic gears in there. So, but this one has metal gears, good carabiners. So yeah, this is a good kit. In addition to that, you also have the hanging kit for the light itself. Okay, so on this, oh yeah, that's a really good. So it's got the cable, but it's also coated. So it's coated with a, sorry about that, sort of like a rubber coating. So what that means is it's not going to like hurt your hands or anything like that. So yeah, that's pretty neat, because I'm used to like the bare cable. So that's pretty cool. It's got a good carabiner on it. And for those of you that don't know, obviously these connect to the grow light itself, one on each corner, and you have two of those. So that's the hanging kit. So yeah, I'm impressed with the build quality. If you want to get one of these for yourself, definitely check out the links in the description below, because this is well built, and if it performs anything like it's built, it's going to be awesome. So you also have the happy, not happy card. I've heard a lot about this, but basically it's just a card to let them know how they did, or how happy you are with the product. So be sure to leave them some feedback. And then you also have the manual. So the manual's really cool looking. I mean, they did a good job designing it, but it's got a lot of information in here. It's not just a pretty book, but it's got a lot of information in here that you definitely need to check out. So you got the first page here talking about the difference in the lights here. You've got the 1500, then you have the 2000, which is the one we're reviewing today, and then you have the 4000. Look at that, man. That thing is huge. So it is talking about, the Samsung LM301B diodes, the Meanwell driver, and the dimmer switch, which is huge. But just go through this. It's got some safety information. It does have the specs for each of the models. So there's the 1500, there's the 2000, and it goes into detail about all the different specs on it and the PAR ratings. So, and the spacing for plants. So, depending on what you're looking to use this for, veg or, fruiting or whatever you're going to use it for. And then it has the color spectrum there. And then, of course, it has the 4000. And then it has a little bit of an installation guide and some warranty information. So definitely check out the book. It does have a lot of information in there that you'll need. But yeah, that is a look at the Viparspectra XS2000 series grow light, and I'm just completely stoked about getting this thing set up. We'll be setting this up in the next video. So be sure to check that out. That's above and beyond a huge bonus to this light. So yes, definitely over the moon happy with the way this light is built. The construction, like I said, is awesome. You've got this, first of all, you got this reflective material here. You got this reflective surface. But here you also have the water-resistant reflective surface here. You know, obviously I couldn't say this is waterproof, but definitely this is water-resistant. And, I mean, look at those LEDs. I mean, that's a good size coverage too. So let's get this thing plugged up and let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so I've got my power cord here. And just, I mean, that's awesome. A 90 degree. You know how many times I fight with cords like this, plugging into electronic devices? Oh my gosh, a 90 degree. That's awesome. Sorry, I know it doesn't take a lot to make me happy, but come on, a 90 degree? Oh, yes. Okay, so get this plugged up. Okay. Alright, so it's plugged up. And let's turn it over and look. I don't want to blind you, but let's look at that. Now, mind you, this is at 5%. That's 5%. You've got a good range of colors. So you've got 4 strips of the red. And you've got a mixture of colors in here. And I'll put a little picture here. It kind of explains the color balance. So that's 5%. That's roughly 25 right there. I mean, look at that. Wow. Okay. Whoa, good Lord, that's 50. 75. Okay, I don't know if you can tell this, but we're gonna hook it up and I'll hang it, and that's 100. Woo! The dimmer switch in action. Now, what I will say is it actually tells you on the dimmer switch itself that it can't be turned off by the dimmer switch, which is cool too, because I mean, I can tell you right now, I had it set on 5%, and then I turned it to 25, and then flipped the light over to show you, and it went back, you know, like I turned it as I turned the light by accident. So that's kind of cool, you know, to not be able to bump it and turn it off. You can turn it down, but not turn it off. So yes, wow, I'm impressed. This thing is pretty well built. So, all right, guys, so that is the Viparspectra XS2000 series grow light. It is an absolute beast. I can't wait to get it set up. I'm going to get it set up and all of that in the next video and get some plants underneath it. I cannot wait to get that done. So be sure, guys, if you're in the market for a great product, a great grow light, definitely check out the links in the description below. I've got links to all 3 of their XS series grow lights down there. They've got a 1500, they've got a 2000, and they've got the super beast, the 4000. And I can't even imagine, you know, the 4000. That thing is a beast. But definitely check out those links in the description below. And I've also got a special discount code for you there too. So be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to know more about organic gardening, growing your own food, growing indoors with grow lights and different products like this, definitely be sure to subscribe by clicking the subscribe icon and clicking the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now be sure, guys, that to be back next week because I'm going to be putting this light up. I'm going to get it installed, and we're going to get plants under it. And so we'll be able to track the progress of these plants to give you a more in-depth look at this light's performance. So be sure to subscribe, be sure to click the bell, and I will see you in the next video.